How to fix your purchase couldn't be completed on iPhone. In today's video, I'm going to help you fix the your purchase couldn't be completed error that might be popping up on your iPhone when you try to make a purchase from the App Store or iTunes. This can be frustrating, but don't worry. I'll walk you through a few solutions to resolve it. First, let's start with the basics. Make sure your payment information is up to date. Head over to Settings, tap on your Apple ID at the top, then choose Payment and Shipping. Here, you can check if your payment method is valid and ensure that the expiration date and billing information are correct. If anything is outdated, update it and try making the purchase again. If your payment information is correct but you're still seeing the error, the next step is to check for any outstanding payments or subscriptions. Go to the App Store, tap your user icon, and then select Subscriptions. Look for any subscriptions that may have failed due to insufficient funds or expired payment methods. Resolve any issues and see if the purchase goes through. Another potential fix is to sign out of your Apple ID and then sign back in. To do this, go to Settings, tap on your Apple ID, scroll to the bottom and select Sign Out. Once you've signed out, restart your device and then sign back in by entering your Apple ID credentials. This can refresh your account and fix any temporary glitches. If none of these steps have worked so far, you can also try resetting the network settings. Sometimes purchase errors can be linked to connectivity issues. To reset your network settings, go to Settings, then General, scroll down to Reset, and tap Reset Network Settings. This won't delete any of your data, but it will reset your Wi-Fi and cellular settings, so you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network afterward. And that's it for today's video. Hopefully, one of these steps helped you fix the "your purchase couldn't be completed" error. If it did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.